promised you, we'd be back here discussing with the function of the dense connective tissue surrounding all these structures of the muscle organ myofibers. So the endomysium, perimysium, epimysium. What's the point of this dense connective tissue? What is it, just for show, for shits and giggles? What is it for? So there's three main reasons, or three main functions, I guess, of the dense connective tissue surrounding each layer of the muscle here. So first off, the dense connective tissue provides nutrients, also binds or connects, so connects each myofiber to a myofiber, also each fascicle to fascicle. So those are important factors, is the providing nutrients and connecting or binding each fascicle to fascicle, or myofiber to myofiber. And last but certainly not least, very important, is so the dense connective tissue insulates each structure, so each function or each structure can function independently. So think of this, for a muscle to contract, it needs to be stimulated by a nerve impulse, and then the muscle contracts. So if there weren't these layers of insulation, one nerve impulse would cause every other single muscle to contract. So we don't want that. So the insulation around each structure, each myofiber, each fascicle, and then around the muscle organ allows each structure to function independently without affecting other structures. So each myofiber, each fascicle can contract without affecting other structures. So it's just layers upon layers upon layers. So if this myofiber contracts, all the other myofibers don't contract, or if this fascicle contracts, all the other fasciculi don't contract, or if this group of fasciculi contract, all the other muscle organs in the body don't contract. That's the reason for this insulation, the dense connective tissue. So think of it like this: if if the wires in a house, in your house or apartment, weren't insulated separately, every light in the house would turn on whenever you turn to flip the lamp on. So just imagine that. You flip the lamp on, all the lights come on the house. Take the lamp off, flip it off, all the lights go off. So that's the reason why each wire is insulated in the house, just like each wire in your body's insulated. So each lamp, each light switch can turn on without turning on all the other lights in the body, or in the house in this case.